Hello guys! Good day! So we are in Nanuspe, Nanaimo, British Columbia on Vancouver Island. We are gonna go for clamming. So it's so low tide. I think the tide is only 0.9 meters, so it's perfect for clamming. As you can see farther, there's few people getting some clams. And alam nyo guys, here's a quick story. In the Philippines, I never had an experience getting some clams kasi po medyo malayo kami sa dagat. Pero sa place ng lola ko, it's just about more than an hour away from our place. Doon may makakuha ka ng clams. Medyo malalaki siya. Ang tawag sa amin doon is tuway. Kasi sa Visayas po kami, Visayas sa Negros. And dito, i-compare mo yung clams, medyo maliliit konti dito kumpara sa atin. So, nung nalaman namin, we are so happy kasi makakakuha kami ng clams. And ayan, di kami masyadong prepared kasi nga naka-shorts lang po and naka-chinelas lang din ako. So, dyan, hihinto ako konti kasi papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung type of clam na pwede makuha dyan. Yan. Tsaka, may nakita din po yung aking partner na isang maliit na shell. I don't know what it's called, pero I think it's a snail shell. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong tawag po sa atin yan. Ayan. Ayan po. Yeah, that's it. Ganyan. So, pupunta kami sa med.